There really is nothing better than relaxing on a beautiful Halloween morning, just a hairy beast, drinking his monster, enjoying the day. Man, this is the life. As crazy as 2020's been, I was kind of worried that something weird was going to happen on Halloween. I just never really know. Stuff's been going on all year long. I was really expecting something strange to happen today. I'm glad so far it's been pretty quiet. Get out of here! What the hell was that? Get out of here! Sounds like it's coming from the fridge. Let's see what it is. What the hell made that noise? Over here, fat boy. Bad face tattoos. Badly drawn teeth. The word bad. Large and in charge. Bad mustache.
Eat me, fat boy. You know you wanna. Eat me, eat me, eat me.
Honey, I think our eggs have gone bad. These eggs are deviled.
I know what I have to do, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
You think we're scared of a little hot water, fat boy? You can't scare us. Eat me, eat me, eat me.
Yeah, not so tough now. I'll show you what we do to bad eggs around these parts. Yeah, how you like that?
You animal! How could you? We'll get you for this.
This is SeeBeardTry, and I've got 50 rotten deviled eggs in front of me. It's Halloween 2020. I'm a hairy beast. I came to drink monster and eat deviled eggs, and I'm all out of monster, baby. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. $50 deviled eggs in under 10 minutes. They tried to mock me. They tried to beat me. But when the eggs go bad, sometimes you just gotta put them in their place. Happy Halloween, friends. Cheers.
You think you've seen the last of us? You just wait. About 4 to 6 hours, we'll get our revenge.